280 students from 13 schools across Nottingham set up stalls in the Victoria Centre as part of the Young Enterprise programme.
Our own company, we've not really had much adult help. We're just doing it basically for the experience. All our profits are going to go to the charity framework, and we're trying to, get as much business as we can, see how well we do in the competition.
Over the past few months, the students have seen their ideas evolve into products. The competition is fierce as each company drives to make the most profit.
We've designed this at school, and what we're trying to achieve is when people are watching a film on their iPod, or maybe even if they're playing a game, and I've got one and I'm always aching hands holding it and different things like that. So what we've decided is, in a Pac-Man design, decided to put it on so it holds freely.
Throughout the programme, volunteers have been acting as advisors supporting the young entrepreneurs. The charity hopes to give those taking part first-hand experience in the world of business.
Today they are selling their product for their company as a director of their company to Joe Public, and they're making a profit. And I find that exhilarating.
Reporting for CBJ News, Abby Wheatman.